Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our Dreamview channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Whirlpool 200 liters direct cool single door 5-star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 200 liters, compressor type, reciprocating, performance 5-star for energy saving up to 55%, defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Addition to that, base time with draw for storing items that doesn't need cooling. Example, onions, potato, etc. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, manual, warranty card. Refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator. Number of doors 1. Warranty 1 year on refrigerator and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 18,449 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our Dreamview channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.